Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to change country on Google Play Store. So for this, let's locate your Play Store app in your device. Once you find it, then simply click on it to open it. Now you need to click on the top right corner on your profile. There you will find this payment and subscriptions option. Click on it and now go to payment methods. Here, go to more payment settings. It will take few seconds and then you will find add a payment method. Click on it. And there we have this billing address. So you need to click on billing address, and from here you will get all the countries worldwide. You can choose the country that you want to add and then click on save, and in this way your country will be added in Google Play Store. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.